Here's a refresher on the 5 Animal Frolics, and let's start with deer. Since we're in spring, the color is green, the emotion is anger, the organs are liver, gallbladder and liver in this region, and stretching the tendons. So opening breath, inhale lower, middle, upper, perineum is tight. Squeeze, 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 exhale, release, and wait. Very relaxed. Breathe in, shift the weight. Breathe out, step, twist, exhale. Stretch the tendons. Inhale, look back. Perineum's lifted. Exhale, release. Feel your tendon stretching and inhale, look back. Flip the hands and right over left. Exhale. Closing breath. Inhale, come up. Perineum is tight. Swallow saliva. Exhale. Track it down. And opening breath to your right side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make them even. Breathe in. Swallow. Relax perineum. Exhale down. If this were the sixth one, you would do a U-turn step and then proceed to the left. But I want to keep doing them facing you so you can see the hands. So after deer comes crane, because we're going to go to early summer. So opening breath, and the color is red. The emotion is courage. The organs are heart, small intestine. Exhale down. And inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, point with the middle finger. Scoop the left leg up. Exhale. To the side. And then rotate it, the hip in the socket. Exhale, extend. And to the rear, bring it to the front first. Oh, I don't want to kick them. And extending back, lift the chest like you're playing airplane. And then bring it back to the front. Flap your wings under your leg. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Take a little exhale. Here, it's like an extra one. Inhale, step up, and close. Closing breath. Put a little spit in it. And other side, I'm going to step back a little. Opening breath.